Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Instagram messages, can't send messages. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and now as you see scroll down to the apps, okay, and now go to the search and search on Instagram, okay. So as you see here, you will go to the storage. Next you will find this clear cache here, just click on it and go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone. If it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.